So first day doing the bird count, and that's a brown dove. I think that's what it's called. It is very hard to pick the birds up sometimes because they move very fast. I thought maybe, and it's hard to identify them too sometimes because a lot of them look alike. Don't know what that was. That was very random. That sounded like a crimson parrot, but I'll look at the video later. We've been getting a lot of red brow finches, and this camera won't focus. Very annoying. And they get down there because we put bird seed down there, but they're not here now. Probably because there's no bird seed there. This is my general location for checking out the birds. It's a bit, oh, there's something. I think that was a wren, a blue wren, but it just flew past. Maybe it's going to go into the bird bath. And we've been keeping the bird bath clean by washing it out with the brush and a mild solution of that's just the dog sneezing, the allergies. A mild solution of bleach and brushing it with a strong brush, and then it looks like it could do with a clean today. It gets a bit dirty, especially the red brow finches get in there. And that's just Monty having a good old sneeze there. Jeez, that's bad. There he is having a sneeze. Oh, excuse me. I'll have to edit that out. Don't know what that is over there. Is that a... Keep worrying about seeing snakes. What's that thing? Oh no, it's just a leaf. Or is it? Let me get closer. I think it's just a leaf. Now there's a bird there. Now that is a loon. I think it's a loon. Okay. So I'll be able to watch this video back. So let me see. I'm trying to video this at the same time as doing the bird count. I've only got 15 minutes left and I haven't hardly seen any birds. So so it was a brown dove, brown, I think, or brown pigeon. I haven't got that on my list from... go over here. I've got it on a chair here, so I'll just zoom out. Whoops. So brown dove, I think that's what it's called. Oh, cuckoo dove, that's it. And one. Okay, oh, hang on. There's a little visitor. So that's like a fantail. Whoops, wrong way. That's a fantail thing, something. Yeah, that's a treat. What a treat. Oh, I saw two little birds over there. I don't know what they were. They're so fast. Whoops. Okay, so That's that little one, and was a Lewin honey eater was in there, and then there's still the brown dove cuckoo pigeon thing, so still over there. But they fly through so quick I can't. Oh, that's probably that one that was that one up there. That was already probably in the water. Oh, can you see it? See, it's shaking itself off. That one was. Oh, why won't this thing? It's a fantail, but why won't this camera focus? It's so annoying.
It's drying itself.
Yeah, it's drying itself. There's not many birds at the moment. So what was that called? It was a... Whoops, wrong way. What was that one called? A fantail? Brown-headed honey eater? No. No, that's still putting all the words that are brown. What is it? What was it again? It was it's a Lewin honey eater. Oops. Lewin's honey eater. Had one of those. And what was the other thing? It was a fantail. Fantail? If I've got it on the video, I wonder if it's a grey... Whoops, sorry. I wonder if it's a... Oh, that's not very... No, go back the other way. It doesn't seem to be wanting to focus on... Don't know if that's very readable. Grey fantail, I think it might have been. But I'll have to double check that because before I submit, because it may not be from here. And it's got to be able to... I've got to figure out if it's one that lives in this area. Now, when I look at this, I can hear little birds. You can hear them, but you can't see them. I thought maybe if I take the video, it might help. It might. There's a little thing that flew through, but
100 miles an hour.
I have no idea what that is. I mean, if you stand there, like you run the risk of a bird flying into your head, because they cut through there.
Yeah, they fly through with 100 miles an hour.
I probably should sit closer to the edge because then I could, I'd be able to see up into the trees. I'm a bit limited. I've got that in the way, so I'd have to get closer to the edge. And I don't know. The camera doesn't seem to want to focus. That brown cuckoo just sits there.
I think it has that little...
What? That's that fantail one?
Yeah, I think so.
Is that another?
Oh, no, it's one of those hornbills.
Oh, it's a spine, eastern spinebill.
Spinebill.
Some of them make particular noises when they fly. Eastern spinebill. We get quite a lot of those here at this time of year. But that one's gone up there. It's gone up high. Can't see there. I'll have to move the chair over to the edge. When you look at this through the camera, it looks really tropical and really lush. This bit of sort of ratty garden we have growing here. Oh, it's some pretty bird over there. And then all the bottle brush is out in flower now. So we'll start getting all the crimson honey eaters and the what's that one called? That funny one? It makes that wattle bird. There's not much here to see today.
And it eats the ball brush.
Yes, they're a honey eater, I think.
Yeah.
They might eat insects too, I don't know.
It's in there for hours eating the ball brush.
Might have to clean that bird feeder though, the water feeder.
I cleaned it on the weekend.
Oh, you're supposed. Well, I think it's due for another clean. Sorry. Oops.
What are you looking at?
Him. He just looks at anything. Whoops, that's. There he is.
He wants to know if he's going for a walk.
Oh, there's another bird. Oh, darn. They're so quick. I can't tell unless it's got striking marking. I can't tell when they're on the wing. Sometimes those little ones are hard. And when we get the red brow finches, they get down in there and eat the seed, but there's no seed. I think that's why that bird is up in the tree. The dove is waiting to be fed.
Waiting for the next city.
I haven't got any wonga pigeons today.
Waiting for the next city.
They just wait for their food. They just come out for that, and that's it. It's like they're like Linda Evangelista. They won't come out unless they get $10,000 worth of seed. That's the dog wanting to be let inside. There was another bird, the fantail. I think I've done that, and I've done, let's see, does that, I don't know if that shows. There's not many. I don't get a whole lot of birds, really. You'd think you'd get more. But probably if you waited longer than 20 minutes, you'd see them. There's the old brown dove cuckoo thing. Just waiting patiently. And the tulip tree is coming out in flower. I saw a flower on there. Where did I see that? Oh, up there. Let's see if I can... Whoops, wrong way. One day I'll get used to this. There were some flowers. They're very hard to find. Monty, stop knocking on the door. You drive me nuts. I can't see them now, but this camera's not focusing for some reason. It's focusing. I mean, there's 1,000 birds here. You can hear them, but you just can't see them. Because we do get visited by hawks, or I don't think it's... I don't know if it could be a peregrine falcon. I don't know. But things do come here. We've had them here. Because like all the birds, they'll be on the ground getting the seed or just hanging around. and then all of a sudden one will make a noise, and then they all fly off. So they see a bird or something scares them, or like a hawk, a bird of prey, a raptor. Not like a raptor, like in like Eminem, or who's that raptor guy? Raptor, rapping guy. He does. Does he rap? That Justin Bieber? Is that rapping what they do? I don't know. And then there's that. He's got that Australian guy. Oh, here we go. Crimson Parrot. Now they're probably going to start coming now, as my time's nearly up. There's the Crimson Parrot. Oh, it's on the same branch. It's telling. They've had an interaction there. They're not very friendly. That was a bird that went through there. I have no idea. When the dove flew up to a higher branch. So I don't know. Oh, that's flown up there. It's laying down the gauntlet. It's chasing that one off. It's flown up higher. Oh, it's gone up higher. Oh, it's really chasing that. Doesn't like that. Oh, whoa. Oh, feisty little thing, aren't they? It keeps going higher and higher. I keep chasing it. Probably can't see now because it's gone behind there. I know. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is my turf now. Go away. Did I call it a crimson rosella? I get the names mixed up. Anyway, that's gone up there now. Chased it off. Seen it off. What's the name of that? Kid Leroy or something. Yeah, are they oh no, they're back now. They're back to fighting, jousting. Now, there was a little bird down there. It's a whatchamacallit, a eastern spinebill. So that's another one of those. I couldn't get that on the camera because it was too quick. But eastern spinebills are they're sort of honey eaters. Oh, and the dove's gone now. Oh, look, I can't get it. There it is, eastern spinebill. Oh, it's after insects. They eat nectar and insects, I think. Oh, now it's having the seed thing. Whoops. If I could only get it to focus, would be very happy. See, all of a sudden it all starts to and then there's another little bird there. I don't know what that was. Was that an eastern? No, that was the eastern spinebill. Okay. Because that's good, because some of those ones are I find them hard to identify. So I've only got one crimson rosella, another eastern spinebill. I can hear little birds everywhere, but they're not, whoops, sorry, that's not focusing on anything. So it drifted off. I'll have to have a look to see the time on my timer. Hang on, it's going to be a bit dodgy here. Let me see, what happened here? Is my timer? Time's up. Okay, that's it. So my time's up. So let me go back here.
Flipping your birds today?
Not really.
There's a crimson parrot there.
Is it a crimson rosella, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, whoops, I can move that. Eastern spinebill, another one. Add one. So it's two. And crimson rosella. That's it. One of those. I've got to double check an os.
Didn't see any scarlet pimpernels?
No, because I've got to go. I'd have to go over there. Whoops. I have to go over to sit over there. But I might sit over there another day. But probably not tomorrow because it's going to be cold. But there's the crimson rose. That crimson rosella there, it chased off the dove.
Did it?
The brown dove. It chased it all up to the branches, across and everywhere, and then it flew off over into the bush. So they don't get on. I'm going to stop that now.